everyone, welcome back to the fabrication shop. Today we'll be looking at printing and applying the decal sheet we created in the last video. If you're new to the channel, we want to encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified when we drop our next video. Now in our last video we created the decal sheet using the graphics and text we wanted to print on the side of the model. Our next step is now printing that decal sheet. When you print your decals, you want to use high quality settings, much like you would use if you were printing a photograph. Now different printers may use different wording to describe the options I'll be talking about. You may need to look around at the different settings for your printer because they may be marked differently but perform a same or similar function. Now the first setting that I'm going to talk about describes the type of paper you're using. Our computer refers to it as media type. You want to use the setting that is similar to the gloss paper used for printing photographs. The next setting is the color option. Our system refers to it as print color mode. We selected deep color. We want our colors to be as vibrant as possible, so select something that is similar on your printer. Our third setting defines the print quality. Again, you want to have the highest level possible to get the best looking decals possible. So we selected high. The last option determines where the driver is going to focus its effort on improving the quality of the print. Our decals contain graphics, the AAEN logo, and the US flag, as well as text, the experimental decal. So we selected text and graphics. With these settings in place, we can now print out our decal sheet. Make sure you insert your paper into the printer in the proper orientation. You want the decals printed on the decal film, not the paper backing. Once your decals are printed, we need to prepare them so that we can use them. The first thing I do is cut the decal sheet just below the decals. I'll put the remainder of the unused decal sheet back into my stock. Next, I spray 2 fine coats of decal bonder to seal the ink. Don't use heavy coats or the ink will run. If you don't have any decal bonder, you can use spray clear. Just make sure you let it dry completely. When you cut your decals out, get as close to the graphic as possible. Here it's best to use a knife instead of scissors. At this point, you can apply the decals just like any other decal sheet you have used. I place some water on the rocket in the same area where I plan to place the decal. This helps me move it around and get it in the right position. Once the decal is in place, use a towel to blot the decal dry. On the Explorer Alpha, I place the AAEN logo first, then the US flag. Finally, I place the experimental decal midway between the 2 other decals. Let these dry completely. Once everything is dry, you can give the entire rocket a coat of clear spray paint to help seal the decals. Some folks also like to use clear floor wax to help seal and protect the model. With that all done, you have completed your Explorer Alpha rocket. We've also designed a 3D printed stand for this model, and the link for it is included below. This also concludes the series on the Explorer Alpha rocket. We hope this has been enjoyable and fun, and maybe you've learned a thing or two. We also hope you'll join us for our next series. If you've enjoyed this video and if you like what we're doing here, please click on the like and subscribe buttons. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified when we drop our next video. So until next time, wishing you all the best, and take care.